Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a random sprite for the Random Sprite Challenge. So below this video, you'll see a link, and the link is going to take you to this project. When you click on it, it says click the backdrop to create parameters for a random sprite you will draw. Now all you have to do is click, and then it's going to tell you to draw a sprite with maybe 2 sections of the body, 3 arms, 7 legs, 3 tails, 1 head, 4 ears, 1 eye, 0 noses, and 8 teeth. Interesting sprite. So once you've clicked on the backdrop, it randomizes it. So every time it's something different. And you have to draw a sprite with whatever it is that you get on the first one. So you'll open up a new project, and then you'll start drawing the sprite. To do that, you go to the Add a Sprite section, and you're going to Paint. And inside of here, you're going to paint using the tools over here. It's going to say convert to bitmap. That's good. And you're going to draw your sprite. Once you finish drawing your sprite, you're then going to give the sprite a name. So I name mine the Ugly Puppy. And then you're going to create a short story, a dance, a game, or whatever else you can come up with for your random sprite project. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.